According to statistics, bigger cities use more underground sewage system than smaller cities. The reason is simply because the gravity-based sewage system is much more costly on a per capita basis for smaller cities, often taking up 2/3 or more of their construction budget. Therefore, alternative sewage system is required to accelerate the introduction of underground sewage system to smaller municipalities and communities. A vacuum sewage collection system developed by Sekisui Chemical Industry Company named SEAVAC system has been considered to be more effective in specific areas where conventional gravity conveyance system would incur higher construction costs and longer installation time. The sewer facilities of SEAVAC system roughly consist of 1. Interface valve units, 2. Vacuum sewers, 3. A vacuum pump station. The station has a sewage collection chamber and pressurized sewage conveyance lines. The line connect to either a sewage treatment facility or a trunk sewer. The domestic sewage collected from each house through a vessel of interface valve unit is sucked up together with an amount of air according to a release of the interface. The sewage is transferred in a vacuum sewer and conveyed to the sewage collection chamber installed in the vacuum pump station. When the sewage stored in the collection chamber attains a fixed liquid level, a discharge pump is operated and the sewage is transferred to the pressurized conveyance line. SEAVAC interface valve units consist of a vessel which stores sewage at the bottom and a compartment with a suitable space in the upper part. In order to make the tools easily accessible, the interface valve unit is equipped with a controller, fitting and attachments. A combination of two materials has been prepared. A prefabricated concrete-made structure is settled under paved roads. Another one is a lightweight plastic-made fabric to settle underground in a house lot. The unit is capable of dealing with domestic sewage collected from 1 to 20 houses. When domestic sewage reaches a fixed volume in the vessel, the interface valve is released and the system sucks up approximately 40 liters of stored sewage and also an amount of air. The system conveys them in a vacuum sewer. Then the interface valve is closed. The system switches over between air and vacuum automatically by a signal from the controller. In the vacuum sewer, the slug, which consists of a mixture of liquid and air, is transferred rapidly to a sewer collector. No clogging has been found in the vacuum sewer system, which contain liquid with high proportion of coarse and suspended solids. If there is a power stoppage at the vacuum pump station and cause a submergence of the interface valve, the system can restart smoothly once the power returns. The remaining liquid in the compartment will be removed immediately and transferred to the vacuum sewer. The top of the controller is equipped with a push-button switch which can control the interface valve operation manually. The switch is useful for the maintenance work such as checking, cleaning, part repairing, etc. The opening and closing frequency of the interface valve can be counted by a watertight counter which is installed at the side of the interface valve body. In this way, the time for checking and parts changing can be found out easily. Besides, the interface valve unit is also equipped with two air intake pipes. One is for air breathing for the interface valve operation, and the other is to prevent water seal breaking in the discharging trap. In addition, an alarm equipment is installed as an option. One of the special features of vacuum sewer system allow for the installation of shorter up-gradient pipes known as leaves. They can be installed at an interval in a long-distance down-gradient pipeline. The leaves can generate strong two-phase flow successively in the pipeline and can make a safe liquid conveyance economically with a shallow pipe laying system under a flat or rolling topography. The system can do it without any intermediate pumping station, even in a limited up-gradient line. The shallow pipe laying system of the vacuum sewer can easily avoid obstacles such as underground structures, existing pipelines, and water channels. S-run pipes used for vacuum sewers are made from a high-quality polyethylene material, which is flexible enough to cope with both earthquake and ground subsidence. S-run pipes used for the vacuum sewer are spigot-type pipes with single socket. A part of the socket has built-in electric heaters for the electrofusion joint. After a spigot part of another pipe is inserted inside the socket, turning on electricity can make a unified socket and spigot joint, which can maintain a perfect air tightness even under severe site circumstances. Domestic sewage is stored in a collection chamber at a vacuum pump station. The vacuum pump station is composed of 1. A collection chamber, 2. Vacuum pump, which can always maintain under negative pressure in vacuum sewers, 3. Discharge pump, which can transport the collected sewage to either a sewage treatment facility or a trunk sewer when sewage reaches a preset level in the chamber. 4. A control panel for the operation of the equipments and instrumentations. Lastly, 5. A deodorant equipment is prepared to prevent circulating offensive smell which can emit from the operation of a vacuum pump. Facilities of the vacuum sewage collection system has been extensively distributed in medium and small-sized urban areas, communities, recreational areas in European countries, US and Japan. As a special case, a facility has been used for collecting rainwater on the roof at the Wimbledon Centre Court Stadium in England. Since 1990, more than 220 of vacuum sewage collection system has been constructed and under operation in Japan. The engineers have the official engineering manual for vacuum sewage collection system, which can be used for the 3 systems, namely CVAC systems. The revised edition has been published for extending their distribution to municipalities and communities in 2002. The manufacturers in Japan has conducted R&D for the sewage facilities, and they expect the system will be more economic for the society from the point of view of life cycle costing, which cover initial construction costs, operation and maintenance, and renewal costs. The vacuum sewer of CVAC system can easily avoid existing underground structures and obstacles, and can also make possible up-gradient pipelines. The vacuum sewer of CVAC system are always maintained under negative pressure, so they can never allow a leakage of liquid to the ground and even an emission of offensive odor in the atmosphere. The vacuum sewer of CVAC system never require a periodic cleaning because the liquid is conveyed speedily. Urban no-dig construction method is a non-cutting method of laying pipelines, which is proposed by Sekisui Chemical Industry Company. Compared with other methods of construction, the installation works is environmentally friendly, such as cutting down solid waste from the works and reduce noises and traffic trouble, as well as using shorter installation time. The electrical sources of CVAC system are only required in the vacuum pump station. Therefore, the maintenance of the system is made easy by the supply of a standby portable generator, which not only can cope with any extended electrical failure, but also function during a disaster. CVAC system can be applicable for extended and narrow areas effectively and economically. They can be used in close and dotted housing areas which have a flat or rolling topography, or which have a soft ground or a higher groundwater level. They can easily avoid many obstacles such as existing underground structures, streams and water channels. In comparison to conventional gravity sewer and other systems, SEWAX system can provide a sewage conveyance which is far superior both in terms of less life cycle cost and less life cycle carbon dioxide emission. We look forward to your consideration of the SEWAX system for both environmental and economic advantages to your municipality and your community.